Then I'll question really quick. For the girl over there, so I want to myself and go like, so bad. And my boyfriend, yeah, alright, that's enough for you. That's enough for you. I want to get it, but I'm going to go right now. Because I want to buy something, man. I don't want to money on board. So now you know. What on, your boyfriend? Anybody mean? Anybody mean? Man from the club president. You're crazy. Shut down. Hey, guess what I'm from? Don't go much time, I bring on bus. Tell me I need like me, I want me to get in. I shine over here, I start in your own so much. I feel like I go, but you know what? It's so young, man. I don't know. Everybody wants love. That's me, that's why I'm going to know it. That's so money, man. Yeah, guess who I'm home? Home, what's time, you know? I know what I mean, that. So what you can, I can shut my book like boss. But if I pass the man, pay my money, I pay it. So you know what I mean around me? I'm going to pay my money one way or another. They're sticking in your head. Well, we dress up like policemen, but I go on the roadside for money. Yeah? Come on. I don't know the name of Jada Kingdom Sandz. Show me what a big clean. Hop up on that dick and I ride it like a bitch. Do it up. I was talking in that mouth more than who can tip. You can look, just don't touch commercial, please. Yeah, I'm single, but it's pussy front row like I'm King. Oh my God, yeah, so your body needs to go down. It's the easy part. Bump around and what? Shake up, 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 shake up. Hot smoke, I make it up, fit it up, get mad, fit it up, get up, fit it up, break your back, sit up, and now rock, fit it up, cause I'm putting out the air. What artist do you want to see? Which artist do you want to hear? You don't know the Jada Kingdom Sandz video because